still here, and now he's going. He's pulling the nose up so he can bring the prop to a dead stop. Now he's going to sit down. There it goes. He's spinning, folks. Loving the spin that he's in, coming down. Now he's going to try to do a quick wing over. We got enough altitude to pull this off. That engine is dead right now. That thing is like a tombstone right now. It is doing nothing. The cockpit is totally quiet. He's there with his own thoughts and not much else. The weather is perfect. We've got good temperatures. She ought to be able to eke out a loop, I'm hoping, right about now. Let's see if we can get the airspeed out. This is all about power management. Okay, come on, Emerson. Let's see if you can do it. Can you get it? You pull it, you pull it, you pull it. Oh! Not quite yet. He's trying for it. This takes a lot. This is all about right now managing your airspeed because that's all we got. There's no engine to pull up through the sky. Absolutely nothing. All right, here we go. Let's try for that loop now. The nose is down. He pulls. Up, 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 and over. Yeah, but one good thing, he doesn't have to worry about noise complaints when he's doing this. We're going to do a wing over for a quick change up to get us back on air show center, which is a plane without an engine. It's pretty exciting, I'm sure. Now, watch this. He's going to try to get a 4-point roll out of it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pretty amazing, isn't it? I would like to be up there. You can converse with him right now without a headset. All he hears is the wind going across the strut, and he's looking out the front windscreen at a silver propeller that's sitting dead in front of him. Watch, here he goes again. He's going to pull for it. He's getting another loop. The temperature and weather is perfect. We're going to milk this for all we can get. Now, the little bet I was telling you about is Emerson always bets me that he can place the plane right up to me without starting it up, without taxiing. He's going to try to keep the energy going so when he lands, he can roll right into this ramp. And the only time he's going to tax the brakes, supposedly, is when he comes right up to me. We'll see about that. There's $1 here. Tico's giving me $1. He gets the emblem, man. There's also a brake pilot until he's broke. There he comes, folks. Hey, look at it. Get another roll right there. Look at it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, listen. Kind of sounds like a jet, doesn't it? That air just going across the strut and a jet on there. Pretty amazing. All right, here he comes. He's setting up for a base, the final. And this is where it gets fun because he's going to milk it. Now, the only thing going for him here is that he's got runway with a bit of a gradient here. He's got a little bit of oomph to get him going, a little momentum downhill to go carry him right down to this taxiway turnoff. We'll see how that goes. All right. Waiting there, he's slipping it, folks, because he's a little high, and that's good. So he's doing a little slip down to final. Now, when that plane gets on the ground, you're going to see that the old Wild Bill wasn't kidding you. That's the dead engine. Here he comes. Rubber reel. There he is, showing off again like he is. Very nervous, twitchy individual that he is. Now you'll notice, look at that prop, folks. I'm kidding you not. That prop is dead. All right, Emerson. Here we go. Not yet. Don't give him applause. You don't get any applause unless he puts it right here.
Wow.